No, mine usually burn once.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
What do you have?
Oh yes, the date is Sunday, June.
It's like a horror movie.
June 29th.
The Bel Air Witch.
Who's the Bel Air Witch?
Blair Witch.
The Blair Witch Project.
Bel Air.
It does the job.
Oh, so cute. It is recording.
I hate that they're here.
Do you think anybody will notice?
Oh no, fuck that.
Finish it!
No.
Finish it!
My,
Dude, I love these sunglasses.
I feel red. Would it be bad if I took another reactant?
Bring it with you.
Do I take another one? I'll take one already.
I don't think it's like messing
Bring it.
with
You can take it unless you have allergies, right?
No, because it lasts for 2
I took one
hours.
already.
Gum?
Giving gum a chance? Bring it. I have a pinky. Give me some gum.
I just had one.
Thank you.
Are you sure I look like an egghead?
No.
Okay.
You don't.
I just look like I have a big head.
No.
Not so.
We have opposite problems.
What did you say? Okay, let's go.
No. We went out. We're out. Yeah, the Kosh too. Hey, look back and wave. Now look back, throw it back.
One more?
I just look. Oh my gosh, why are you smiling like that?
They're nice. That's what. I think the sound looks good.
Hold hands. Hold hands. Look at each other like you're happy.
I'm not gonna look away, Chrissy. It's because it was good.
Single stalls. Yeah.
Gonna have to make it work.
Oh, nice. Oh, God. I can't even see the screen. I can't see if it looks good or not. Sanchez. This is Sanchez's event that he's hosting.
Are you vlogging this right now?
Yeah, I am. This is Sanchez's event. This is his boat. This is actually Sanchez's boat.
It is my boat.
Yeah. What can you tell us about your boat? What's her name? What's her name? Patricia. Okay. When did you acquire Patricia?
I didn't.
And how are her motors? Are they intact?
Oh, let me tell you something about her motors. Smooth. Extra oil.
I kind of like a bumpy motor, actually.
You like a bumpy motor?
Yeah.
See, this is why the thing is weird. That's what you do.
I don't.
You want oil in your motor. That's what you do.
Yeah, fresh oil.
So pistons, right? Go like this. They go like that, right? And then you gotta do like that. So plus that.
Alright, now let's take a look at the scenery here. Sanchez, tell us when they're gonna bump the music up here. And please let it be Afrobeats.
Setting it up right now.
Okay, so we were outside. It was a beautiful day on this kind of beautiful boat. And we got by a bird. That was terrible. Not good luck.
vlog already.
I know, I need to.
It's been 1 year of content.
It's actually been 1 year of content?
When are you gonna actually like post this shit?
I don't know. I'm a tripod. God, I tried. Mine would have come out.
Okay. Do me a favor.
Oh no. Alright, it's the end of the night. It is
Ended the boat party.
I didn't see nobody. Oh. Hey.
I want to go there. They probably are.
No. We're far behind, dude. No, right there.
Tea from Ben's? A fed a vegetarian diet? What are you recording right now?
Anything. Just anything.
You want to see a real show? You want to see a real show?
It's 10:46 p.m. on June 29th, 2025. We're at A&W. You can his nipples. The milk
It's called
bag.
chocolate chips because I'll give you a Hershey. Whoa, whoa. No. Wow. I'm joking. I do not have any students. Oh no! My glasses. Oh, why did I kick it on the ground?
Yeah.
That's crazy. The music is so crazy! I feel like here right now! We out here at Parkara Nakaluba. What? Anyways, we're out here partying. We're just gonna drink. It's very busy. Bye-bye.
What? Fucking it out. What? Vancouver. What? Ew. Let me hear ya. Here we go, Anna. Cover it. Cover it. What? Ew.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
Too dark.
Let me see y'all hands up right now, man. We trying to have some fun tonight. I do this shit, man.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't even see.
And then I was staring at him, and then after he was staring at you guys, he stared at me. He's like, oh shit.
That must be the brother.
Yeah.
It's the end of the night. We're going home. Oh, one here. Hitching a ride. We lasted.
You're coming with us, right?
We lasted for a while.
Oh.
Anyways, good night.
Where you going?
Different color. Different color, different. Hers is younger than mine. Oh my god, I have to make these vlogs.
We have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Don't record. He's telling us someone's business.
Well, I can never post. I can never. I will never.
Recording?
Yes, it's recording. I will never post these videos.
No, so like, yeah. Boss me around.
And you like it when you get bossed around, or? Oh,
I don't like being bossed around,
okay.
but playfully, I like.
Oh my god, Sanya, put your seatbelt on.
No. I don't know.